So I just got back home. As you can see, still wearing my outdoor clothes. Got a packet from Amazon. I think it's the microphone. I'm not too sure. And my microphone, I mean microphone for my camera, which I'm using right now. I just got the memory card today as well, so I haven't been able to film anything with it yet. So hopefully, if it is the microphone, it's Canon, I think it's DM-100. See in a second. Otherwise, I have no idea what it is. Try to get this up. That's it. Canon DM-100. Comes with a dead cat wind blocker. Cost me, I think it was £160. Let's open it up. Box feels really light, so I don't expect it's heavy. Let's see. Right, so here we have a nice fluffy little wind blocker, really soft. I see why they called it dead cat. Manual, and here we have the microphone, which is smaller than I expected, but it's good size. This clips on directly into the mini advanced shoe on all Canon HF series of camcorders. It's a shotgun mic. Also has some, let's try to get the focus. Yeah, you can see shotgun 90 degrees, 120 degrees, stereo. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing of my brand new Canon DM-100. I'll definitely do a whole bunch of tests with it, show you how to mount it and stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching.